Hello JVNs, Namaste. My name is Asif Ali, Faculty of Physiotherapy and Diagnostic, Jyoti Vidyapit, Women's University, Jaipur. Burns. To topic burns. Burns is defined. Burns is defined age wound caused by exogenous agent leading to coagulative necrosis of the tissue. Cause: thermal burns, dry heat, contact burns, flame burn, moisture heat, scalp burns, smoke and inhalation injury, chemical burns, acid and alkali, electric burns, high and low voltage, cold burns, radiation, sunburns. Again, cause: thermal burns, dry heat, contact burn, flame burn, moisture heat, scalp burn, smoke and inhalation injury, chemical burns, acid and alkali, electrical burns, high and low voltage, cold burns, frostbite, radiation, sunburns. Classification: depending on the percentage of burns: mild, first, mild, partial thickness, burns less than 15% in adult or less than 10% in children, or full thickness less than 2%. Full thickness less than 2%. Moderate: second degree 15 to 25%. Second degree 15 to 25% burns in adult or 10 to 20% in children, or third degree 2 to 10% burns. Moderate: second degree 15 to 25% burns in adult or 10 to 25% in children, or third degree 2 to 10% burns. Measure: second degree more than 25% burns in adult or more than 20% burns in children, or third degree more than 10% burns, or burns involving eye, ears, feet and perineum. All inhalation and electrical burns. Classification: depending on thickness of skin, involve first degree injury localized to the epidermis, second degree superficial, second degree injury to the epidermis and superficial papillary dermis. Third, sorry, second deep second degree injury through the epidermis and deep up to reticular dermis. Third degree full thickness injury through the epidermis and dermis into subcutaneous fat. Fourth degree injury through the skin and subcutaneous fat into underlying muscles or bone. Clinical features. First degree ones: redness skin, pain at burn site, involves only epidermis, blanch to touch, have an intact epidermal barrier, do not result in scarring. Example: sunburn, microscarred from a kitchen accident. Clinical features: superficial second degree burns, intense pain, white to red skin, blisters, involve epidermis and papillary layer of dermis. Spares hair follicles, sweat gland, etc. Erytheromatous and blanch to touch, very painful and sensitive, no or minimal scarring, spontaneously re-epithelialization from retained epidermal structure in 7 to 14 days. Deep second degree burns. Third, deep second degree burns. Injury to deeper layers of dermis. Example: reticular dermis. Appears pale and motile. Do not blanch to touch. Capillary return sluggish or absent. Less painful, remain painful to pinprick. Take 40 to 35 days to heal by re-epithelialization from hair follicle and sweat gland, erythronites, often with severe scarring. Third degree ones: dry, leathery skin, dry, leathery skin, white, dark brown or care. loss of sensation, little pain. All dermal layer and tissue may be involved. Fourth degree 1, involve structure beneath the skin muscles bone. Local changes, thermal injury cause coagulative necrosis of epidermis and underlying tissue with depth of injury dependent on temperature to which skin is exposed. The specific heat of causative agent, duration of exposure. The area of cutaneous or superficial injury has been divided into 3 zones. Zone of coagulation, necrotic area of burn where cells are disturbed. Zone of stasis, its area surrounding zone of coagulation where vessels leakage and vessel damage present. Systemic changes, cardiac, decreased cardiac output, pulmonary, respiratory insufficiency as a secondary process can progress to respiratory failure. Gastrointestinal, decrease or absent GI motility, curling ulcer formation. Systemic changes, metabolic, hypermetabolic state, increased oxygen and calorie requirements, increase in core body temperature. Immunologic, loss of protective barrier, increased risk of infection. Suppression of humoral and cell-mediated immune response. Management, first aid, stop the burning process. Cool the area with tap water with continuous irrigation for 20 minutes. Indications of admission in burns: moderate, severe burns, airway burns of any type, burns in extreme of age, all electrical or deep chemical burns. Definitive treatment: maintain airway, breathing, circulation, sedation and analgesia, assessment of percentage degree and type of burn and according fluid management. Chemoprophylaxis, tetanus toxic, antibiotics and local antiseptic. Thank you.